after that long hike back to our car, now we're about to drive to go kayaking. I don't know how long I could do, but I came to enjoy Lake Tahoe, so I'm gonna enjoy it. We'll see what happens. Okay, finally got a spot to park for Inspiration Point. This is actually on the way to kayaking, but I already seen most of this from Emerald State Park above earlier, so I think I'm pretty happy. Got our life jackets, about to go get our kayaks, have some fun. Got an hour on this thing. Okay, this is pretty scary. This is a very risky vlog. Just for you guys. Just for you guys. So scary. She is afraid. It's her first time. It's also my first time, but I did some dragon boat before, so I'm okay. Maybe don't be careful. I'm just trying to make this snippet, this quick vlog. Woo! Yeah. Left, right, left, right. Oh my God! I'm pretty much controlling this kayak by myself, solo. I'm helping her take Lake Tahoe. Woo! Woo!
I didn't hear you. Can you tell me later?
Getting pretty windy, had a great time. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I think tomorrow is just gonna be a quick driving tour and then heading back to the bay. See you guys in the morning. Hey guys, morning. Day 2 of my Lake Tahoe trip. Right now I'm heading to Fallen Lake. So it's actually at a campground over here, and I'm not sure if this is a highly visited spot, but I am just visiting based on Google Maps. Also, I'm super sunburned from yesterday. Got some mosquito bites here and there. Whew. But I think this trip overall is good so far. I'll show you guys the road. This is it. Reached it. The water looks pretty clear, just like yesterday. Yeah, I think this lake pretty much looks the same as Lake Tahoe. You know, I guess once you've seen one of them, you've seen them all, right? Hello. Let's say hello. Hello. Let's go check it out. Oh, they're swimming away. Yeah, so I actually never been camping, but this looks like a really calm, chill spot. A lot of RVs, people set up their campground. I think next time if I come back, I might select this spot. Yeah, it's pretty quiet, less people. You know, doing some water sports right there. I'm gonna try to attract him to come to me with a little branch here. Oh! I'm scared. Oh, hello. Come here. Hey. Okay, forget you. Next one. Hello. Okay. He's camera shy. Come on. They're leaving. No. They're leaving. Okay, that was a quick stop over at this Fallen Meadows Lake Park, or this lake. Gonna have to try to make all of these pit stops really quick, you know, 15-20 minutes each. Gonna head back to the bay. Saw a lot of cars leaving, so I think everyone's done with their trip already. Okay, just spent like 20 minutes just driving around, getting lost. A lot of areas are closed. So we decided, hey, let's check out this area here on Google Maps, Lake Barron. So we have arrived. Honestly, it's a bit underwhelming because once you see Lake Tahoe, every other lake is just a bit, you know, small and less impressive. But yeah, I think we're going to spend a good hour just hanging out around here, just relaxing before driving back to the bay. Just walked nearby Lake Barron and see this little park recreational area. I think I'm just going to spend a bit more time here relaxing. But yeah, I think this is it for my Lake Tahoe trip. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for future videos on, you know, my casual travel adventures, national parks. Leave in the comments below if there's any areas of Lake Tahoe that I should have visited for this quick weekend trip. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.